Wow, what a beautiful day. It's days like this you just want to get outside and get started. So the first thing I need to do is paint some gable boards to go up there under the eaves and trim that out. Then I'm going to go ahead and finish up some flashing I still need to do around that window. It's something I didn't get done when I put it in. The last thing I need to do is go ahead and get some building wrap up over this old siding. Then I'll be ready for the new stuff. I think it's going to be a fun day, so keep watching.
Welcome to the Rundown Reborn channel. With painting, it really is a pretty straightforward process, but there are a couple of tips I can share with you. Oftentimes, I find myself needing to do small painting tasks associated with different daily projects, like this one. So to help with this, I try to make sure I have some basic budget rollers and brushes on hand at all times, so that I can quickly push a little paint when I need to. Also, I try to keep my paint color selections to a minimum. This way I don't have a lot of paint sitting around the house. This also helps aesthetically. By having a limited color palette, the colors can work together throughout the design and bring all the visual elements together in harmony with one another. Now as I apply my first coat here, I am simply trying to get good overall coverage and prime the boards for a second coat. Even though the expensive paints say that they will cover in one coat, I find that rarely to be the case. Now with my second coat, I usually try to get that on the material as soon as possible. I try to pick nice warm days to do outside painting projects, as this helps the paint dry quicker between coats and keeps the day's project moving along. When applying my second coat, I try to be a little more methodical in the application process. I want to make sure that I get good coverage on the material, and I try to avoid any runs or drips. I am more liberal with the paint here. I don't want any bare spots showing through. With a small project like this one today, the painting task can move along quite rapidly and the paint dries rather quick. The best DIY tip I have for you: be sure to enjoy the day and take pride in your work.
All right, we've got our boards painted. They turned out pretty good. They may need a little bit more once they're up on the wall, but not too worried about it at this point. Now it's time to really just get them fitted and get them hung. Man, just look at that tree. It's gorgeous. It smells like death, but it sure looks good. There we go. Hopefully we got a fitting piece. We'll see. Man, you're looking good.
Yeah, I'm as good as I can be here.
I'm right on the money. Nice. It's like we planned it. There you go.
No, I'm not putting those screws in.
Just
You
one.
are.
Just one to hold it. Just put about 1.5 inches from the top. Drive it. Okay. Alright.
I mean, to me, this looks perfect down here.
Good. There you go, drill. Now, you'll want to move your ladder to this end. Lay it out. I don't know if I'm going to have to do a turn down there or if my board's going to cover it. What have I got here? Yeah, I'm going to have to do a turn. Well, I think what we need to do is cut this horizontal in first. And I'm going to need a piece. I can use that scrap and cut off. Need a piece that is 10.5 inches long. 10.5 inch piece. And then we'll figure out how to notch it up. All right, so we've got that in there. I need to do a notch out right here. And how tall? It's about right there across. Notch that there. And then that like this. Cut that out. Didn't grab anything there. That's all. That's up. So this is my top edge. So I'm going to end up having a cut somewhere like this and a cut like this. I will do that. I will accept that premise. There we go. Now I'm going to wait to cut that other end. I want to get it up there and fit it and get an exact mark where I need to cut that top side. Now pull it out. I got to get up under. There you go. Now let's bring it down.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Okay, look.
I'm perfectly flush right here.
Yeah, I got a little gapping, but I can caulk it closed. Well, I think it's where it needs to be. Just need to get some caulk and paint on that, and we're all ready to go with the siding. Well, that about wraps it up for today. I've got everything ready for my siding. The J-channel's up, so I'm running out of daylight today. So the next time I'm up on this ladder, I'll be painting out, getting those looking really nice, clean that all up, and then get that siding hung. It's gonna look really good at the end. I appreciate you watching this one. Come back when we finish this up. We'll see you next time.